Hello wonderful people, welcome again to my channel. In this video I will show you how to process newspaper publication using two different newspapers. We will use the Newsdirect and the Standard Times newspaper. Newsdirect will cost you 1,800 naira, while Standard Times will cost you 3,000 naira for change of name publication. These two platforms are fast and reliable. They are tested and trusted. So for this process, you'll be needing a court affidavit. I made a video on how to process a change of name court affidavit. You can check that in my channel. As soon as your court affidavit is ready, you should head on to the website nigeriannewsdirect.com. Then click on these three lines. As soon as it opens, scroll down to e-copy. As soon as you find the e-copy, you click on it. Then look for the change of name publication option. So here is the change of name option. So what you should do is to click on buy on store. Buy on store, alright. After that, you're going to be redirected to a Flutterwave website where you'll be making payments for your purchase. Okay, you go to add to cart, then you go to cart. The next thing you should do is to fill in your information, your first name, your last name, your email and phone number. Please, if you're doing this for someone, if you're rendering this as a service, you should not enter the client's details. You should enter your own details, okay? Because it is through this medium that you will receive the newspaper, okay? It is through this medium. Then you now send it to the client. But if you're the person handling this for yourself, you can enter your information. Alright, so after entering your information, you click on continue. Then you have to make payments. You have to make payment. So you enter your card details for payment. The fee is 1,800 naira, but as you can see here, 1,970 something. The 170 something is the service charge. Alright. So I've made my payment already. Payment successful. I want you to look below under contact us. I believe you can see an email address there and a phone number. This is the email address or the phone number you're going to send your change of name details to for your publication. You can use the phone number. You don't need to stress yourself using the email. The phone number is very active, okay? It's active on WhatsApp. I'm going to show you what to do. Before sending any message to this number, you need to first of all go to your email and download the receipt for this payment, okay? Because you're going to send an attachment of it to the number. After downloading it, go to your WhatsApp and send the number a direct message. Now here is what you will type. After typing this, you attach it with the receipt you downloaded from your email, and also send them your change of name details. Here is the format of what you should send to them. Please make sure you don't make any mistake, because if you make any mistake, the same thing you send to them, that's what they will publish for you. They don't have time for any editing. So make sure you send it in this format. The change of name heading should be bold, the name should be bold, and the sign name should be bold, okay? So don't make any mistake. After sending everything to them correctly, ensure to ask them when your publication will be out. So if they tell you the day, either Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday, the next thing you would do on that day is to go to their website and check your publication. So this is how you would do that. Go to their website, click on the three straight line, go to e-copy again, click on it, then scroll down and look for daily subscription. Yes, daily pass. You click on choose plan. As soon as it opens, you go down to proceed to payment. You need to pay 100 naira. All right, as soon as it loads up, enter your card details. You can also transfer if you wish to. Enter your card details. The total money you'll be paying is 102 naira. 2 naira is their service charge. As soon as your payment is confirmed successful, go to your email address and find your newspaper e-copy. Here is mine. All right, open it. Tap on the newspaper, on the paper itself. Tap on it for it to load up for you. Then as soon as it opens, you should just go down to the pages where you find change of names. Okay, look for your name there, make sure it is there. If your name is not there, go back to that phone number, chat them up and tell them that your name is not there. All right, they will tell you whether it is out or not, whether you should check back tomorrow or whether you should check back later. Okay, but one thing I'm assuring you guys is it doesn't delay at all. It just takes only 24 hours. As soon as you send your publication today, the next day you will get it. It will be out. It doesn't delay at all. But just in case it does, what you should do is just to go to that number, chat them up, and they will respond to you. Okay, so here is the list of the change of names publication. So you should just patiently look for your own. This is how it is done. There is no two ways about it. Okay, it might look is it stressful? Is it stressful? It's not. It's very simple. Instead of going through agents and all of that, you just spend only 1,800 naira. Okay, let's say with the service charge and everything, let's just give it 2,000 naira. Okay, instead of giving it to agents or anybody to help you do, just spend it token with your phone at the comfort of your home. No stress, nothing. So now let's move on to the second publication, the standard times. That one is very, very simple. It's the simplest. Okay, so let's move on to that one. Okay, so for the standard times, publish your classified advert in Standard Times Nigeria. So what you should do is to make transfers to this account number, this access back account number. Before you make transfer, please, you should chat this phone number and confirm their current price. Okay, the last time I checked it was 3,000 naira, but make sure you confirm the current price. After your payment, go to your WhatsApp and send this phone number a direct message with the receipt of your transaction. Okay, the same thing you did for the Newsdirect is what you're going to do for Standard Times. The same kind of message. I made payment for change of name publication, blah blah blah. The same thing, the same format of your change of name details, the same format. Everything should be the same thing. Please, be very, very careful when making your the typing of your details. Ensure that everything is correct and make sure you arrange it properly, because these people don't have time to edit your details, so they will just, the same way you give them, that's what they will put there. So please don't make any mistake. Okay, then after everything, you send it to them and ask them when it will be ready. Very, very important. For Standard Times, you don't need to go to your email or anything. They will send it to you to your WhatsApp, just as you're seeing here. As soon as it comes out, they will send it to your WhatsApp. It takes just 24 hours. It doesn't waste time. If you send it on Friday, you will get it on Monday. If you send it on Saturday, you will get it on Monday morning. All right, it doesn't take time at all. So this is how to carry out your change of name affidavits with just a token. Okay, in the comfort of your home. You don't need to stress yourself at all.